Welcome to our demo of CLARA, a browser extension designed to bring seamless interactive code comprehension and analysis directly into GitHub, right where developers need it the most. Developers and researchers frequently dive into open source repos to learn from existing codes, gain insights, or even reuse code snippets. But making sense of new codes can be challenging, especially in large and complex projects. To help with this, many turn to large language models such as ChatGPT or Gemini. Now, getting code explanations using LLMs sounds simple. Copy the code, write a prompt, and wait for a response. But doing this over and over, especially when working with multiple files, becomes tedious. IDE-based tools can help as well. However, they often require downloading the whole project and configuring it locally, which can be a hurdle. Beyond usability, there are deeper issues. LLMs perform the best when given rich prompts with detailed context, but users often skip that. IDE tools and LLMs also lack full awareness of the project and dependencies. And even though there are tools for tasks like refactoring and quality checks, they usually serve only one purpose. Developers end up switching between multiple of these tools to get the complete picture of their repository. So what if users could get code explanations and analysis instantly without leaving GitHub, writing prompts, or setting anything up? That's where CLARA comes in. It's a browser extension that activates when you view any code on GitHub, offering a suite of tools tailored to your current context. No extra steps needed. CLARA can explain the entire file or any highlighted portion of a code. It can refactor code to improve readability and maintainability. It also analyzes quality metrics such as cyclomatic complexity, maintainability index, and even flags potential vulnerabilities. And for deeper exploration, CLARA includes an interactive chatbot to help you ask follow-up questions, and gain further insights, all without leaving your browser. Without further ado, now let's look at CLARA in action.
Let's start this demonstration by adding CLARA to our browser first. It's as simple as going to CLARA's home store listing and adding it to your browser. There is no configuration needed. After CLARA has been added, we can go to our repo and open a file. You can see upon opening the file, CLARA has jumped to help us. This code is pretty big, so we can ask CLARA for explanation. After loading, we can see that CLARA has explained all the methods in this code briefly and precisely. We can ask follow-up questions in the interactive chatbot down here. And here we can get the specific answer of our queries. Other than that, we can also select a portion of code that we want to explain. And like so, CLARA will explain the specific part that we need to understand. Other than that, CLARA can also get quality attributes for any code. Here, let's get quality attributes for this code. We can see CLARA calculates cyclomatic complexity, maintainability index, and vulnerability network. Additionally, CLARA also offers code refactoring feature. Let's check it out. All we have to do is click on the refactor the code button, and while refactoring, CLARA focuses on making the code more reusable. And as CLARA finishes, we can see that CLARA has made the code much more maintainable and readable than before. These are the features currently supported by CLARA. However, the sky's the limit because of this interactive chatbot, which lets users have any query and answer them.
Now let's look at CLARA's architecture. On the client side, CLARA has two key modules. The feature response module, which manages feature-related UI and responses, the chatbot module, which handles the interactive chatbot interface. On the backend, when a user opens a GitHub file, the data scraper collects the code and repository metadata. This is sent to the message dispatcher, which coordinates communication between client and backend. Feature-specific components then parse the data, generate prompts, and send them to LLM Inference Module, powered by GPT-4o via OpenAI's API, and format the responses for display. CLARA also includes a chatbot manager, which tracks conversation history and feature output to deliver context-aware responses during follow-up interactions. And that is it for CLARA's demo. Thank you.